Good morning, coaches. So, how are you today? So, by the way, Coach D pong muli. So, we have a new topic for today, which is all about what makes Crowd1 super trending and phenomenal worldwide. Super trending because we are ranked number 1. Still ranked number 1 in momentum. Plus, we reached already 23 million members in just 23 months. That's amazing, right? So now, before we proceed, I will just show you some amazing achievements of some of our members who have been millionaires in just a couple of months doing this business.
I'm Miss Nora Nganoy from Baguio City. I'm now director to 2-star of Crowd1. I used to be a branch manager of life insurance company, but this time my earning in Crowd1, after joining Crowd1, I'm earning already 1 million a month minimum in just 7 months of working with Crowd1. If I did it, you can also do it.
Morning, Crowd1!
Sa akin, in my 4 months, I have accumulated 7 digits income na. And just last week, I bought my Montero Mitsubishi.
Para bang yung money will just go directly in your pocket.
Ang daming gustong mabago ang buhay sa minutong ito. Ang may-ari ng Facebook, yumaman. Yung mga gumagamit ng Facebook, yumaman ba? Hindi. Yung may-ari ng YouTube, yumaman. Yung mga gumagamit ng YouTube at nanonood ng YouTube, yumayaman ba? Hindi. Yung may-ari ng Crowd1, yumayaman, pero sinishare niya yung yaman niya sa ating lahat. And I challenge everyone to take the risk because 6 months ago, I also just took the risk. 5 months ago, I also just took the risk. 5 months after, I have 10.5 million in my bank account.
Kasi kami ng asawa ko talagang walang-wala. But after 2 months, hindi ko alam. Nakabili ako ng sasakyan, hindi siya branded, hindi siya brand new. Sika na lang, at least nakabili ako.
Ginagawa po namin, umiikot po nga kami, just to educate people how to earn para to have their financial success. Ngayon, testingin lang ninyo. Kaya testingan lang po na mo. Diba? Basta di ay, mauna yung makabangon sa tua. Trabahoan lang ninyo, gikan sa inyong kasing-kasing, ano man, pag ikan sa kasing-kasing mo, malipay ka. Para sa kuan, lipay ka sa mga ginahimo, mauna ang kwarta, ang euro, maabot na lang na. I-try ninyo si Crowd1. Try ninyo, as much as kung wala mo yung kwarta karon, okay lang na. Ano man, kabalo ko, nag-invite mo diri kay wala mo yung kwarta. Ipakita niya para magkaroon ng kwarta.
So, patikim pa lang yan mga kapatid. Ang titindi, ano, isipin mo? 5 months, 10 million, 1 million in a month. Totoo po lahat yan kasi yan ay naganap dun sa event natin sa Manila. Okay, last year. Nung talagang sumasabog pa lang o nag-uumpisa pa lang ang Crowd1. So, ngayon po ay tayo 23 months na at meron na po tayong 23 million members worldwide at talagang super trending po tayo ngayon. Ngayon, isa-isahin natin kung bakit ba ganun na lamang katindi yung paglago, pagsabog, at talagang, alam mo yon, talagang pinipilahan sa buong mundo ngayon, iba't ibang lahi po. Ngayon, alamin natin yung mga benefits ng members. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga hindi pa kasali sa Crowd1, panoorin nyo po ito kung gaano katindi yung business na pinasok po namin ito, na gusto po namin i-share sa inyo. Okay? So, ito po yan. Unang-unang benefits na magkakaroon ka po dito, ay tinatawag po na natin na super advanced na business portal. With your own login account po yan. Super advanced po talaga ng portal namin kasi nga everything nandyan na. What I'm telling you super advanced is ganito po yan. Isang napakalaking portal po ng Crowd1 at yan po ay nakalink sa iba't ibang businesses all over the world. Ito po yung sample. Kasi for now meron po tayong 8 companies na nakapartner po dyan na nakalink dyan sa Crowd1 platform. Ibig sabihin, pag inopen mo yung Crowd1 CE store na yan, okay, nandyan na po lahat. Kumbaga, all in one place in Crowd1 platform na. Basta naging member ka, meron ka niyan lahat. At pinaliwanag ko doon sa other videos, yung lahat ng negosyo naman na ma-enjoy mo once na naging member ka ng Crowd1. Yan po yung unang benefits. Pangalawa, complete business tools. Nandyan na po lahat. At ang liit lang ng puhunan talaga. Pero yung lahat ng kailangan mo to start your own business, everything is provided na. Okay? So, third benefit is you will get a world-class, super unique products. At yun po ay pinakilala ko naman na doon sa mga previous videos ko, but ito po yun, uulitin kong muli. Ano pa yung super unique products ng Crowd1? Okay? Ito po yan, meron kang world-class travel agency, online travel agency, sarili mo yan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-franchise kasi you are getting it for free. You are getting world-class education na may every Sunday training pa po yan ni Sir Peter Jacobson. Okay? You will be getting that social gaming platform, tatlo po yan, Afilgo, Big Star at saka Epic One Lotto na nag-generate ng billions of profits at ibinabalik sa atin yung 80% of the income. Antindi po ano? Magkakaroon ka rin yung sinasabi natin na e-media. Physical and digital copy po yan yung ating Crowd Magazine. Makukuha mo din dyan sa platform mo yung Safer. Yan po yung emergency response and medical response. Okay? Regional product po yan. Especially in South Africa. Okay? At yung pangwalo, okay, is yung Tribute. Lifestyle products po na business mo rin yan. So lahat po yan ay maka-access mo once na naging member ka ng Crowd1. Isipin mo yan. But I'm telling you guys, it doesn't end there kasi nga parami ng parami, palaki ng palaki yung negosyo ng Crowd1. Okay, nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo, hindi pa tapos ang pagla-launch ng lahat ng mga products niya. Ganon po katindi yan. Okay? Yung pang-apat na makukuha mo dito ay world-class compensation plan. Antindi po nito. Revolutionary. Pinagsama yung traditional at saka yung advanced bonus system. Kasi pinagsama na po yung active at passive income na 9 ways to earn po yan. Antindi po talaga. Ito po yung 9 amazing ways to earn po ng Crowd1. May fear of loss bonus. Unique na unique yan. Educational package sales bonus. Meron kang matching bonus. Okay? Meron kang customer sales bonus. Meron kang active user pool income. Meron ka pang booking income. Okay? Meron ka pang weekly streamline bonus. Meron kang monthly residual income. At meron ka pang quarterly Crowd1 rewards. Lahat po yan ay mai-enjoy mo. At yan I have done a separate video all about this 9 ways to earn. Okay? So if you are following this channel, there's a video, detailed presentation about 9 ways to earn. Malulula ka doon. Grabe yan. Okay? So, pang-limang benefits na may makukuha po dito, itatawag natin na free booking portal. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong online travel agency. Sarili mo. You don't have to purchase or to franchise any booking portal kasi nandyan na. Nandyan na lahat. Vacation package, hotels and everything. Resort all over the world po yan. Okay? So, pang-anim, helping system. Dahil nga doon uso na ngayon yung sa system ng ating mga spillover na. Okay po. Pang-pito, incentives. Free travel. Cars and so much of them. So much of them. Okay? Ito yung maganda kapatid. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kung bakit pinagkakaguluhan ang Crowd1 sa buong mundo. Good news. Alam nyo ba, hindi po mahirap maging member ng Crowd1. Kasi for only 6,000 pesos or 99 euros, Crowd1 member ka na, hindi po mahal ang pagpapamember dito. Antindi po ano, kumbaga sa 6,000 pesos po na yan, you will enjoy everything na agad. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng negosyo na nandyan, na nakakonect sa business mo, sa portal mo, i-enjoy mo. Tulad ng, uulitin ko muli ha, 6,000 lang, 6,000 pesos only or 99 euros, you get everything. You will have your own travel agency. You will have your own world-class education. You will have your social gaming platform. Tatlo po yan, Afilgo, Mixet, and Epic One Lotto. You have the e-media, physical copies of that Crowd Magazine. Digital and physical copies. You will get that emergency response and medical response Safer. And you will get that lifestyle business Tribute. At marami pang parating. Isipin niyo po yan. Plus, ito nga sinabi ko, sa 6,000 mo, 6,000 pesos only, you'll be getting amazing ways to earn. 9. Fear of loss bonus. Educational packages bonus, matching bonus, customer sales bonus, active user pool income, booking income, weekly streamline bonus, monthly residual income, quarterly Crowd1 rewards. Just imagine that. Kaya pinagkakaguluhan po tayo sa buong mundo. Sa tindi po ng products, ng compensation, ng system, ay grabe. Okay, kumbaga, ano po first time in the history talaga na pinagsama-sama ng Crowd1 all-in-one platform po. Okay? Kaya yung mga hindi pa member, pumasok na po kayo kasi pag dumating ang panahon na 100 to 1,000 businesses sa portal natin. Sabi ko sa iyo, hindi kayo magkadaugaga diyan sa pagpila para lang sumali sa crowd 1. Ay, sabi ko sa iyo, antindi po nito. Okay, by the way, coaches, bukod doon sa 6,000 kasi yung 6,000 na pinakita ko, yung pinakamadaling membership po ng crowd 1. But if you want bigger package with better compensation or bigger compensation, ito po yung ating iba't ibang packages. Kasi may corresponding crowd 1 rewards na po yan. Okay? Crowd 1 rewards, ibig sabihin, what of the benefits mo? Okay, paglaki kasi ng package, paglaki ng crowd 1 rewards. Crowd 1 reward is one of the compensation plan or earning here in crowd 1. So ito yung ino-offer ko na sinasabi ko, pinakamadaling membership, ay bibili ka lang ng white package or traditional package na 6,000 pesos. Pero may kasama na po yan na crowd 1 rewards na 6,000 pesos din. Okay? 299 BP, 299 euros, yan po yung sunod na package, yung black package. May corresponding crowd 1 rewards din po yan na 300 euros. 18,000 pesos po yun. At ito yung most popular package po natin, yung gold package, 799 euros or 48,000 pesos. Pero ang crowd 1 rewards po niyan ay pumapalo nasa 60,000 pesos kasi 1,000 euros na po yan. At ito yung most valued package po natin, yung ating titanium, 150,000. Okay, pero ang crowd 1 rewards po dito ay umaabot na sa 210,000 pesos kasi yan po ay 3,500 euros. Okay? So yan po yun. Pero okay lang po yan kung hindi mo pa kaya malaking packages, you can start from white package pa lang and you upgrade it in between. Okay? Ito pa yung magandang good news, kapatid. Epic promotion is back. Ibig sabihin, ito po yun. Kapag bumili ka po ng package na white package ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng free upgrade po from white to black package na. Hindi mo kailangan mag-spend ng 18,000 to get that black package. Free upgrade po yan. At kapag naging black package ka naman kinuha mo, gold package ka agad. Pag nag-gold package ang kinuha mo, titanium ka agad. Kapag titanium ang kinuha, makukuha mo yung titanium pro. Antindi po yan, yan po yung free upgrade promotion, limited slot lang po yan, limited time. After ng ating mga promotion, we are not sure after that kung meron pang mga promotions. Kaya samantalahin po ninyo. Ito pang matindi, kapatid, another good news. Ang account po natin ay walang renewal, walang expiration, no hard selling, no maintenance, at no quota. Hindi po katulad ng ibang company siya na kailangan mong bumili ng ganito at i-maintain mo yung ganito para makuha mo yun. Dito, wala. As in, wala. Okay? So, let's enjoy this amazing opportunity na in-offer po ng Crowd 1 sa mga hindi pa members ng Crowd 1. We are encouraging you to join now. Kasi maaga pa, hindi pa tapos, nasa pre-launching stage pa lang po tayo. This is an amazing opportunity. Okay, so be an affiliate now and thank you so much. I hope that you have learned something today. So up next, pag-uusapan naman natin yung upcoming Crowd 1 po quarterly dividends. Kasi by December 15, meron na po tayong quarterly dividends para doon sa ating Crowd 1 rewards. Okay po. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button para maging updated ka sa mga videos and tutorials na ginagawa natin dito araw-araw. By the way, coach din muli po sa inyo and see you on my next video. God bless us all.